Morning, you guys. We are back at Paynes Prairie Preserve State Park. We're trying a different trail this morning. I think it's Bolen Bluff. I'm hoping to see some bison or wild horses. Here's a map of the whole state park. Yesterday, I believe we were up in this area, and now we're down here. We're gonna walk up, I'm not sure how long this is, but maybe part of this. And then, gonna go down into the main part of the park and maybe hike in here a little bit or something. So here we go. So this is where we might see some bison or horses. Can you tell if there's some right up above? Aren't there some right up out there? Can you tell? Are there some right out there in the field? I think so.
There's some evidence.
Oh, there's some evidence of, that's the horse evidence. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited if they're out there.
If there are some, you can pick them up.
I'm pretty sure there's, I can't tell if it's horses or bison, but there's definitely some big things up there. So I'm going up ahead because Steve's back's bothering him a little bit still. He's a little bit slower, so he said go ahead. I'm going to try to get some pictures and things. If this is actually what I can see, it does look like there's something up there. So I know it maybe seems funny that we're excited about seeing bison, or especially horses, since you can see horses so many places. But there's just something about them being in the wild, I think, that makes it kind of neat. And that they can be elusive here. Not everyone gets to see them when they come. So I think it's exciting. So it's actually kind of deceiving. It looks like they were a lot closer than they are. It's taking a little while to get out here. All right, I'm close enough now that I can tell it's bison. That's fun. Lots of ibises. The red-winged blackbirds. I don't know if you can see this, but there's actually a bison right out standing in the middle of the trail, which means nobody can keep going past until he moves on through. Oh, that's pretty wild. Hi. So are you guys at the recommended distance that we're supposed to stay away?
Well, I know it's
even a little bit more. But
I got a little closer, and this first group got spooked and ran off.
Oh, really?
They were all
Can
over
try,
here, and she had
well,
two
I don't wanna
facing. I think it's 20 for the gators and 50 for the buffalo.
I think it's 80.
So this is pretty neat. We're trying to figure out now how much space we need to keep between us and them. They recommend, I think it's between like 80 and 100 feet, but that's kind of hard to gauge.
I left my tape measure in the van. Dang it.
All right, we have a lot of bison watchers here.
Well, there's no denying this is pretty exciting, pretty unique opportunity.
Well, that was pretty incredible.
Yeah,
We've accomplished our mission. We saw the bison.
that was neat.
Here's a pretty view walking back, and the horses are in the background. There's about 4 back there, far, far in the distance. So we saw everything here. We got to see the alligators yesterday, bison, and even though it's far off, horses. Check, check, check. So we took a little detour. There's a little side trail here, and we can get a better look at the horses a little bit. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see them in this distance or not, but there they are. And then look how pretty this is. Then there's a wild animal right there I've never seen before. I'm not sure what that is. There's a few laying down out there, right? Looks like. Here's the main path. And then there's this little path. I'm gonna guess this is gonna take us closer to the horses, so we're gonna try it. Saw some other people further up this way. I saw the birds. I'm not sure this is the right way after all. I guess I'll find out. Oh, maybe it is. Yep, here it is. So, I was just told there's a little baby out here. We'll go check it out and see. Oh, look at that. Nice. Look how beautiful they are. And there's the baby. Alright, so here's a better shot. The baby's laying down right now. And you can see the other horses laying down. That was definitely awesome. We didn't even go to the other part of the park because we saw everything we came to see. We got lots of work to do, so we're going to go to the library next. We got to get fueled up a little bit before going into the library with last night's leftovers. Cold pasta, spaghetti, cold
everything.
This is the loudest library I've ever been in. We finished a marathon library session, and now we're going back to the nature center area that we were at yesterday to make some dinner. Morningside Nature Center. We figured we'd come back here because there was hardly anybody around yesterday. A nice quiet spot to eat and just hang out a little bit. So we have Chef Steve here cooking up dinner. Using another little upgrade we've got, a little hack here. He's made us this little table. Glorified piece of wood that functions as a table.
Yeah, don't let her fool you. It's just a piece of wood.
Yeah,
but it works.
Yeah, it works. It gives us more space for, especially when we're making food and we don't feel like getting out the bigger table. Oftentimes it looks like our dinner is dog food.
Hey, it was on sale.
So
buy one can, get one free.
we got some refried beans and a little bit of ground beef in there. It's like a party in my mouth. Since there's nobody around here, I thought I would take the kitty out for a walk. It's pretty warm. I just started putting her harness on her, and she just flopped right over. She's like, I'm just gonna go to sleep. Yeah, we're gonna take you for a little walk, kitty. Come here, boopers. Come here. Good girl. She's like, I ain't going anywhere. I guess she's done. Did you have a good walk, kitty cat? Huh? Are you so tired now? Huh? Are you so tired? It's a hard day. Huh? It's tough being a cat. Are you grouchy now? Huh? You look like a grouchy cat. Like a birdsy good girl. So I wasn't kidding when I said there's nobody around this park. We have the whole place to ourselves. Us and the birds.
So Audra's out there working her side hustle of wrangling Aldi carts.
Making a quick stop at Walmart. We were just at Aldi stocking up on some groceries again. Here we go. Trying a new style. This is supposed to be universal.
Audra wears a life jacket no matter where she goes. Can never be too safe nowadays.
What do you think, you guys? So, we don't have life jackets for the kayak, and I don't think we need them. But I'm afraid we're going to get somewhere and they're going to tell us we can't go out unless we have life jackets. So I was thinking we could just get these, just have with us just in case. This one is universal.
I don't know, Audra.
What don't you know?
I'm not having as much trouble as you were.
Well, that's because mine was stuck and you fixed it so that it fits. I've got a bigger chest. I've got a bigger chest than you. So does it actually fit you okay? I mean, obviously we're not going to wear them. We'll just keep them with us. Safety Sue, sorry. We're not wearing them. He's working it for the cover of the Walmart magazine. Steve likes his life jacket so much, he's just going to wear it everywhere now, I think. He's going to wear it all around Walmart, probably driving the van, everywhere, I bet. It's a nice fashion statement. He matches Walmart pretty well. Look at him strutting his stuff. Alright, next stop, Cracker Barrel, right?
Yep.
You're looking pretty good. Just fine, no problem. Hopefully that's the case.
So one of the key components when we were building out the countertop is to make sure that the driver's seat can go back.
So we're in at the Cracker Barrel and we're doing a little bit of editing tonight. It's a hot night. Got the fans running, cooling down, and working on YouTube video. Voila!
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at all that cubic feetage.
If you find our videos entertaining, informative, or inspiring, we also hope you'll consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps put gas in our tank both figuratively and literally.